Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix this app can't run on our PC in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. Other one, go to search menu and type change user account control settings. Click on open it. You just need to drag this point to this second line, one, two, second line. After dragging to it, select OK option and select yes. And now check if it is works or not. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type local security policy. Click on open it. You just need to expand the local policies and expand the security options. Just select it. On right side, you just need to find user account control. User account control, as you can see, user account control admin approval mode for built-in administrator account. Just double click on it, set this to enabled and select the plan OK. Same thing for allow UI access application to prompt for elevate without using the secure desk. Double click and set this to enabled and select the plane. OK. Do the same thing for run all administrators in admin approval mode. Double click on it, set enabled and select the plane. OK. Just close tab here and restart the PC. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.